Never run out of battery again with the amazing Anker PowerCore 20000mAh portable charger. This powerhouse boasts a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, letting you charge an iPhone over 6 times, making it essential for travel or busy days. Thanks to Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, it intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge possible every single time. With dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing or keeping all your tech ready to go. What truly sets it apart is the seamless combination of colossal power and smart charging, ensuring your gadgets are always optimized. If you're searching for the best portable charger or a reliable power bank for travel, this Anker model is a fantastic investment for 2025. Ready to upgrade your charging game? You can find the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh on Amazon using the link in the description below. Anker's reputation for durability and top-tier performance makes this more than just a charger, it's peace of mind in your pocket. For unparalleled power, speed, and reliability, we highly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh as your go-to portable charging solution. Don't miss out on this essential electronic gadget. Click the link, get yours today, and subscribe for more tech reviews.